just want to show you. So if you're having a panic attack, one of the best things to do that you don't have to think about, there's one thing you have to think about actually, and it's tapping the fear point on triple warmer meridian, which is the fourth digit, and onto the back of the palm of the hand. So if you place your hand on your heart and then just tap when you can feel a panic attack coming on. So just by tapping that. And initially, because you're having that attack, it's probably going to be really fast. Just tap fast and go with that. And your breathing will probably be rapid as well. So just keep tapping, because the idea behind it is it's working on the vagus nerve to bring calm. So you'll eventually start to just tap in a slightly slower way. And if you're still feeling really agitated and having to tap fast, you can also swap hands. But I wanted to make it short and sweet and simple, so the only thing you have to remember is one thing: tap on that fourth finger and bring in the calm.